Hi all, welcome to my channel. It has been a while since I uploaded a new process video because I had a very busy few weeks lately, and one of the things why I was very busy was that I gave workshops on two multiple day events. So yeah, but I played along with a secret scrap lift on the Facebook group by Document Life Stories, and I decided while I created it to film it too. So it has been a while since I created it, but finally I have some time to edit and do a voiceover. So here it is. I hope soon I will have a little bit more time to create. It's a shame that the events are over, but that means I can create more videos for you guys. So yeah, I am making a mixed media layout, a scrapbooking layout, and I primed my page with some clear gesso because I am using a design paper background. I am using some vellum to mat my picture, and I am looking through the papers to see what I can use as different layers. I like to create layers first before I start doing my mixed media, because in that way I know how big my picture is gonna be and where I have to put my mixed media. So that's what I am doing here. If you think, yeah, you sound a little bit crazy, that's well, my voice does. That's true, because the one of the events just ended last week and my voice is still a bit sore, but I didn't want to make you wait even longer before I put up this video. I know I have been vlogging a lot and that you can still see, but I am sure you want to see more process videos as well. If you didn't know it yet, I do live videos on Facebook too. If you go to the Document Life Stories Kit Facebook group, it's a closed group, but you can just ask for permission to join, and there you can find some live videos of me too. Make sure you tell me that you're watching, because then I will talk in English as well. My native language is Dutch and the videos are in Dutch, but when I know some international people are watching, I do a multiple language video. So I will talk in Dutch and in English. So yeah. Here I'm creating my background. As you can see, I use some Heidi Swapp color Heidi Swapp color shine in navy, and I use some water to make it run the page, and I used a paper towel to pick up a lot of the color. In between I dried it, and I am using also some color burst by Ken Oliver. So that's what you see me do here. When you're doing mixed media, make sure to keep on going. I know it looks a little bit crazy like right now, and I wasn't sure what it was going to be, but when you keep on going, it will always become way prettier. Here you can see when I put my picture on top, it looks much better than without it. A secret scrap lift means that one person gets the example and makes a layout from it and then gives their own layout to the next person. I was last in a row, so I created the layout. Well, I let myself inspire by the layout of my previous creative person. So this was it. And there was some mixed media in the middle and two clusters, one on the right and one on the left. So I like to incorporate my mixed media in those clusters as well. So that's what you see here. When I'm creating, I also like to glue down my picture, because then I won't keep fussing around with it, and I will just be stuck, and I can put down my biggest embellishments before I create my clusters and all the details. So that's what I'm going to do here. I am going through my basket of embellishments and find some which I want to use. As you can see, I am a little bit in doubt with my title. I started off with beautiful because this is a picture of me and my nephew. I was babysitting and he was falling asleep on my chest, and it was so cute. I didn't want to lay him in his bed, so I sat with him for a few hours before I went to bed myself and laid him in his cot. So yeah, I am looking through a part of my stamps to find a background stamp I want to use here, and I chose this one with some stars because of course my nephew is sleeping, so I just stamp it with my Versa fine ink, and then I use a baby wipe to make it a little bit more messy. I like messy stamping, messy backgrounds instead of straight. So when I use a baby wipe, I can get some of the ink off. So yeah. It has been a while since I did voiceovers for YouTube, so I hope you bear with me. But I thought, well, let's talk about something else. I am really curious what you want to see from me. I am planning on making more planner videos as well because I am loving my bullet journal. I also give workshops in bullet journaling, so I thought it might be good to incorporate that in my um, YouTube channel. Of course, I am doing some creative vlogs. I hope you enjoy them as well. They're pretty new. Well, I already made 30 of them, 31 if I'm right. And yeah, I enjoy making them. Sometimes there are with more fast forward images instead of me talking, but that was from the events, and I will hope I have more time to just talk in camera. I am a bit camera shy, that's not the right word, but when people are watching me film, I'm afraid to talk, so that's a bit difficult, but I am working on it. So that's why you had a lot of fast forward things in my vlogs. I hope you didn't mind that at all. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, any inspiration, any things you want to see me doing, let me know. I will see if I can. The events for this year are over, so I have more time to film at home and actually create myself, because that has been a while. I make videos um, for my design team, but right now that's it, because it was busy, but I have more time to create for myself as well. So that's what I will do. Let me know what you want to see, and I will see if I can do that. So in the meantime, my page is almost finished. As you can see, I used some stamped images, and it didn't matter that it were scrap papers, because I let them run off the page. It gives my layout a little bit more interesting look. So yeah, I'm adding some quote stickers, and because I am gluing them down on gesso, I need to put some extra glue on them. And then my layout is almost finished. I hope you enjoyed it and you didn't mind my scratchy voice. I could have waited, but then you didn't have this video yet. So yeah, I thought let's do it with a scratchy voice. It's okay. I think you're more happy to see this, and yeah. You can always turn off the voice of the sound, of course. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. When I am at the 750, I will do a giveaway. I have announced that earlier and I'm almost there, so please help everyone so I can do the giveaway. Thanks a lot, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye!